What's up guys? Today we're going to be going over this electricity glowing outline effect. I think it looks very cool and I'm about to give you guys all the sauce. Here, as you can see, I have 3 clips right here. This is the portion where it goes by fast, and then I slowed down this clip, and then you want another clip that it goes back to fast. So you should have this. Now what we're going to do is go into the middle clip. We're going to duplicate it with Command D, and then we're going to go into this clip, make sure that the composition is at full resolution, and you basically want to rotoscope the money. So we're going to rotoscope the pile of money right here. So we're just going to go over the money right here and try to isolate everything. We're not going to include the hands, and then when you're done rotoscoping that one frame, just do Command right to go to the other frames. Right now it's doing a pretty good job, and now we're done. So we're gonna hit freeze to freeze the frames. Awesome. So now let's go back into our composition. And the first effect we're gonna apply is find edges. Let's apply that to our layer. We're gonna invert this, then we're gonna drag in the effect levels, like glowing outlines more apparent and more bright. So we're gonna grab this arrow right here and crank it up some more, grab the other one and make it closer as well. That way we get clear outlines right here. And then we're gonna select Luma key to get rid of the black part. There we go. And we can make the edge feather, increase that a bit. And then we're gonna add the fill effect. That way we can add an intentional color to it. In our case today, we're gonna make it green, which makes sense because money is green as well. Then we're gonna add some glow. I'm gonna use universe glow, but you can use the default glow effect as well. So now we have this glowing green outline effect, but to add the electricity fill to it, we're gonna add turbulent displace. And then we're gonna make the size pretty small, something like 5, and increase the amount by a lot until we get this kind of look. And now we're gonna animate the turbulent displacement. So we're gonna do alt click on evolution, and we're gonna write time asterisk and make that 500. And now as you can see, we get this glowing outline effect. Now to emphasize on the effect, we can add a flicker effect to it. I'm gonna use Sapphire Flicker. Let's increase the amplitude. Let's make it something like 0.5. And then I think I'm gonna add another glow effect to it. Let's decrease the intensity a little. There we go. That looks pretty cool. And now, how I like to add on to the effect is by making the background black and white. So how we're gonna do this is by adding a curves effect to the bottom layer and decreasing it like this. And then to make it black and white, we're gonna add Lumetri color, add that to the bottom layer. We're gonna go into basic correction, and now let's make desaturation 0. Oh, that looks pretty cool. We can even add a sort of vignette to it. So how we're going to do this today, we're not going to add the vignette effect. We're going to do something a bit different. So on the bottom layer, we're going to do layer styles and add inner glow right here. And then we're going to increase the size. Something like this looks cool. And then go into the colors and make it black. Then change the blending mode to normal. And now we get this cool vignette effect. And now let's pre-compose these two together. Call it middle effect, and let's click on adjust composition, blah, blah, blah. Let's click that so that it only lasts for the actual amount of time that the effect happens in. So now we're gonna add a noise effect. Let's uncheck use color noise. Let's make this something like 25%, and then let's add some more flicker to it. So now we get this cool effect so far. Next, we need some sort of transition because the cut is pretty rough between the clips. So I'm actually going to use my brand new light source overlays pack. It is 40 film burns that transition very well between clips. So I really like this fast red flash one, the eye candy one. So I'm just going to import a few of them because they're all pretty fire. There we go. Let's say I use this one. I'll just drag these a bit further. And now that this one is imported, I can just change the blending mode to whatever I like. So it looks very cool on screen. You get something like this, a pretty nice result. The blending mode I've come to find out that I love the most is actually the color dodge blending mode. Like, it really gives it a grungy look and it really matches with the noise from the other sequence. So that looks so fire. Then I'm gonna add another one of these. I'm actually decreasing the scale because this sequence is in HD, but all of the assets are 4K files. That's why I'm decreasing them. I'm gonna make this color dodge as well. There we go. And now we should get this. If you guys want to cop these insane film burns and light leaks overlays, it'll be available in the description. And since we just launched this product, I actually have an exclusive offer for you guys, so make sure to check it out in the description. With that said, here's our final result. So that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and if it brought you any value, please consider subscribing, and please let me know in the comments what type of tutorials you would like me to cover next. I will be coming back with a face cam very soon. I am actually pretty sick right now and I'm trying to push through it, but you guys already know I had to push through and bring the sauce to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Peace.